we use a variable for the a number. So you got 9 plus 4 times a number, 3 minus 7 times a number. So go ahead and chat with each other. You guys are solving this together. I know. This problem being the first problem has me a little nervous.
Yeah.
Well, Moss, that's what I had planned today, was to give you a side-eyed whatever you're complaining about. B, just part B. Just part B. Just part B. Got your closure. Closure. Anyone need the closure? We're all here yesterday. You got it. I could choose a frugal. Oh, it says a frugal. I'm just teasing, man. I'm just teasing. You should eat that. I'm working on my yoga. Alright, I did hear your complaints last week. I've tried to build the tower so it has some structural stability, so it's not so wobbly. The bottom is all made with the new pieces that haven't had time to like warp and get old. As wood ages, it changes. So if you have any real wood furniture at home, wood changes as it ages. I'll check what I had turned in yesterday. Oh. Moss.
Wow.
I don't know, man. Not outside.
I don't know why I just stuck this in there.
I got 9 plus 4 times x plus 3.
Remember that a sign in front of a number goes with that number. A sign in front of a number goes with that number.
We have to simplify, right?
You have to simplify, yep. I would try to write out the whole thing first before you start putting things together.
How did you get the simplified?
You don't need to do anything on your own. You know the coffee room? It's not sitting out right now. It's none of those. It's over here, dude. How do you get a pencil? Alright, Gabe's team, let's go like maybe 30 more seconds. At a minute at most. This thing is not correct, so it's worth fixing. Whatever you get your chest, it's worth talking about so we know what we're doing. You should come see me at some point, but it's sort of up to you.
No, because she said that Chinese has a lose was on
Hey, do you have this problem done? Yeah? That's why there's nothing on your paper written beneath this problem? B. We're doing part B.
Oh!
Yeah, sunshine. Don't lie to me.
Wait, so it's negative because it was negative. So,
Well, I'm just saying. I'm sorry. Yes. You don't have to get the answer. Okay.
yeah, I know.
How do you do the extra?
Gabe's team, we about ready?
I'll say.
Yeah? You got an answer that at least most of you agree on?
Oh, did I forget to write down the end right here?
I let it slide because this is just practice, right? Like, we're still learning. When we're doing the practice, we're still learning. All right, Gabe. What does your team think this comes out to when simplified?
11x plus 12.
Christian has a hand raised for opposition. Guys, we might need a reminder that the only way you can steal a problem is to be paying attention and state your opposition. So, Christian, what do you think it is?
I think it's 12 plus negative 3. Or negative 3 plus 12.
Is there any opposition to this still? Because we got one more team. All right, bring it up here. Let's work this out. So we have 9 plus 4 times the number that we can't do. Plus 3. So 9 and 3 can go together. I think we all agree on the 12. We all agree on the 12. Here's where it got tricky. 4 times a number? Sure, 4x. Minus 7 times the number. So minus 7x or negative 7x. Who's going to win between the good guy and the bad guy? The bad guy here is stronger. So you guys are right with the first steal. Which team are you? The Rizzlers with the first steal. Come up, give yourself points, draw a block, right? Come on up. I don't know what it means. Maybe like Rizzo, like the mouse character in the... Lakin! Pick a question. Pick a question. 10. All right, moving on. Hey, we got a new problem. Doesn't matter who Rizzo is, we got a new math problem. Nice. Oh, that's less points, but you already did it.
I can't even see no more.
Hey, you got to give yourself your points. So, Raphael, remember, those are bonus points because you guys just stole the problem. The only reminder I'm giving this game, your total is either going to be 7 or it's going to be 9, depending on which block you pull out. So Christian got 7 bonus points for his team because they stole that question. Do not yell at Christian for drawing a middle block. He's the one that got the steal for you. He was quick enough to raise his hand and get the steal before Margot did it. So, that's gone. Hey, Raphael, he got you extra points. Quit complaining about something good somebody did. $155A. 155A. Now, Raphael, if I was your teammate, I might be mad that you're eating instead of just working on math. So we want to pick on each other. I'm sure everyone can find something to pick on. I mean, that is a strategy. There's about 20 layers there that they have to pick from. So, I mean, you guys doing 7 extra points. This is your problem, by the way. They can pick this question. This is your team. You should be solving. Off of that judge. Hey guys, I'm shutting down this conversation. If you have a math answer, there's no arguing about what block to take because you have to get a right answer first. Do the math. Hey, this is a photographer from the yearbook. He's just coming to get candid pictures of people working. So your picture will not get used if you awkwardly look at the camera because then it's not a good picture. So just do what you're doing and you'll be more likely to get the yearbook. So like Donovan's face right now, that won't make the yearbook because he's being weird.
Maybe that's his strategy, Mr. Hudson.
They pull that from
Good shot might be a kid when they come to pull the block out of the Jenga tower.
Retake it. I was looking at the camera. I purposely moved up my hand.
Let's go 2 minutes. Should be plenty because you're still arguing about the block. So 2 minutes max. Careful with signs. Careful with denominators.
ready to get collectively over here. Oh, B. Okay.
And if you're done with this one, you could work on other problems, get a head start.
Yeah.
Lake, and remember, because you are question master here, because it was you who got caught on, you will give the answers. Make sure that you agree, talk to your team or whatever. Whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and Lake and ready? All right, bring it together. Lakin, you and your team have decided the answer here is 9/10. Friends, real quick, especially if you didn't get 9/10. If you turn this into common denominator, it's 1 4/10. And when I take away 4/10 from 3/10, we're going to end up borrowing. Or make them improper and go from there. But 4 taken away from 3, that's like, be careful. If you got the wrong answer, that's probably what goofed you up. So this should be 9/10. All right, send someone to the tower. Send someone up. 10 is gone.
Okay, I call.
Lindy, pick a number. 7. Oh, my bad. 7, identify.
Good job, Lincoln.
Identify as independent or dependent. 153B.
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 Oh, didn't we just...
I just wanted to know, I was like, wait, these are not blind people. You guys always do this sweet art on like blind people. Dependent, the answers change, right? Things change from one to the next. Independent, one thing does not impact the other. Now I am going to ask why. You can't just give an answer, you got to give a why. What do you guys think? Independent or dependent?
Could I please have Lakin over to the office? Lakin, please come to the Perry office. Thank you.
Or dependent. So independent is like I'm independent from my parents because they don't pay for anything for me anymore. Dependent is like you because you depend on your mom because she like gets you clothes and food and everything, right? So you are dependent. So the question mathematically, because you asked about the language arts side of it, the question mathematically here is, does the first thing you do impact the second thing you do? Yeah. If so, that's dependent. Now the question is, does the first dog biscuit that you gave to your dog, does that then change what the second dog biscuit might be? Why? So write it down. So that would be dependent, right? That's what you're saying. We're doing deep.
Like, if that, if he grabbed a biscuit from its bag, it was the next biscuit.
So this could be either answer depending on the why. You have to go to explain the why. So that's not the problem of using this problem. Well, for B, you're selecting a dog list of your dog, feeding it to them, and another one. I'm not that worried about what you write as long as it's essential. If she quits, you don't put it back unless she it's gone. So things change. It's different. really you can just say
So what you do?
Okay, independent is not that is the outlet. Like if I pick 3 out of that, and then I did half, would that affect my
Okay, you cannot let her ask you the call.
This is where math gets more complicated because you have to argue your answer.
And also too, you can have certain groupings if they explain maybe one of too.
More. If I did, I probably could. Depends on your explanation. All right, Lindy, what are your thoughts here?
Well, I said it's like dependent.
Hey, classmates talking. We respect them. Lindy?
Because when she like picked a biscuit out for her dog, there's a less chance of getting the same biscuit that she got.
So I'm struggling to find a picture of what I was looking for, and maybe because they changed. But if we have different types of biscuits in the jar, and your dog ate, hey Raphael, you're being disrespectful right now. If the dog eats one of those, what's in the jar has changed, right? Like if they are different flavors, what's in there has changed. But Margot, how could this be independent?
So it could be independent if all of the like treats or all the biscuits were the same. Because then even if you take one out, you still have a 100% chance of getting the same one.
So this answer could be either. It depends how you justify why. It's like that cooler full of like soda, right? If all of the sodas are the same thing, if they're all lemon lime, and you reach in and you take one out, they're still all lemon lime. But if they're a mix of different sodas, and you only want a certain type, and you look in there and now it's gone, like now that's dependent. Now things matter. If everything matches, it's independent. If something changed, it's dependent. You could argue either way. Yep, we would need to know, are all the biscuits the same? Are they different? We need to know it, or you need to just make it up, right? I will not ask you an open question like that on the test. I'll be more specific, right? I'll be more specific than that. 7 is gone. Send somebody up. Lindy, could be you, could be somebody else. Back to Moss. Rules have to go through the official Giant Jenga committee, which only meets once a year. So you can file an official complaint if you would like to the committee, but they normally don't read them anyways. Moss, what number? 4. Good luck suing them because it's all made up anyways.
Wait, how much points is the side one?
You'll get 9 total. So here's what you're really trying to answer. This is not a mistake. I didn't mean to break this problem up. What you need to answer is what percent does he still need to save, and how many dollars does he still need to save? Okay, you got to give me both. What percent is still needed, and how many dollars is that? Percent and dollars. You can draw a diagram if you want. You could use 10% method. He needs $60. He needs $60. It's 149. 149. It's missing a space, but that was just yeah, I couldn't fix that. I think it's right. I copy paste to make it fair. But yeah, the ebook I couldn't modify the picture.
I know I'm saying if you get the middle, it's less than the side.
Seems like there's some sort of guardian of the tower now. I don't know where this came from. Those are like the coolest tractors.
6 cut in half, which oh crap, I did it wrong. I divided by 3. Oh yeah.
So if we try to use that 10% technique, what would be 10%? Oh, I think you can go from there. Quicker than I can even ask the question. You already did it.
So wait, that's your answer? No, that's how much he saved so far? That's how much more he needs? Alright, make sure you talk with your team, right?
I mean, not more.
Yeah, looks like Keegan might need your help too. So you help Keegan.
You just use normal voice. Yeah, that voice is a little scary for a second.
I know. I think something wrong with
I have no what? You're probably true. Those boards? Blocks. There's a difference between blocks and boards. Yes. Oh yeah, you're right. There is a board behind the blocks. You're right. How we doing over here? You need to tell me, like I just announced when this problem came up, percent needed, dollars needed. That's all I need.
I found 5%.
Your guys' problem. So 10% is 6, what's 5%? Yeah. So are you ready then, Moss? Do you know what percent that is that he still needs to say? Yeah. Alright, bring it together. Alright, Moss. What percent still needs saved? 55%, because if he already has 45, there's 55 left to go to get him up to that 100%. And how many dollars is that? $33, because we could use 10% technique, and 10% here would be 6, and we can work it from there, right? That 10% technique, real convenient. Send somebody up. Raph, I'm going to move the guardian of the tower, because we're going to need the top of the tower now. Outside blocks are 9, middle blocks are 7. Outside blocks are 9, middle blocks are 7. 4 is gone. Christian, give us another number. 11. 9 more. Yep. So you can either write +9 or write your new total, or you can just put it on. So who are you? Busting us this through? Yeah, you just have 9. Combine the like terms. That's really what we're doing here. Combine the like terms. Only things that are like.
Would it be negative 4x? I did it, and then I checked it. So then I got it. No, because
It's like 3 times x.
there is no multiplication of D. 4x plus x. We are on 154.
We're on 154D. Yeah.
I don't even know how to do it. 154D. Oh. I was working on a different equation. Yeah, 154D.
That's not what I was talking about. 3 x's.
What? No, because it's not. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to spend. So it's not x squared.
What I'm saying is, yeah, without.
We're doing D. No, we're doing A.
Because 3x is x, x, x. So 3x is x times x.
Is it just 3x?
It's 3x to the power
Because in the notes we literally had a box.
I'm not saying I can change it, but what I'm saying is like with the power of
There's really good conversation happening. Trying to just let it happen. Yeah.
3x times 3x times 3x.
If you want algebra tiles, get them from up front.
Because to the power of 2 is that thing times itself. So it's 9x. It's 9x, and then if you add the because if you simplify it and then you add the 2x to it, then it's 11x.
So I heard somebody talking about the blocks we had.
Yeah, the block. We literally have a block that.
So I'll set this here.
Okay, so I'm guessing I'm on the right track.
This is not to play with. Put it down.
No, it's not. You don't move to it. Find them. Look, there is an X tile and then there's also an X square tile. I'm not just simply combining them, right? They're different.
No, I'm not combining it.
I'm gonna weigh in on some of the arguments that I hear happening and show you this. A black screen. You make of this what you want. You have whatever conversations you want, but there you go. That's what I'm showing you.
But what I'm saying is, okay, so
But you don't multiply them. It's just a.
So, anyways, if it's 3x to the power of 2, so 3x, and then it's 3x, and then since it's to the power of 2, it's 3x times 3x.
See? Listen, although they can combine, like, because they fit together and stuff, it doesn't work like that because they're two different tiles. One is just X and one is just X squared. Oh yeah, it's squared. It's not to the power. It's squared.
You're getting mixed up on? Is it what was written?
Actually, it's probably
As 3x squared, then what you're saying is true. But there's no parentheses. What Miss is saying is true.
yeah.
It is 3 of the x squared. I couldn't let us just keep arguing. I had to weigh in because at a certain point, just repeating the same stuff isn't going to solve the argument. I don't even remember whose problem this is. Christian, how you doing? You done? Oh, yeah. All right, let's bring it back together. Christian, what does your team think this simplifies down to?
2x squared plus 2x
It's not squared. It's
plus negative
Yeah,
7.
Ooh, plus the negative.
it's not like
Any
it's
opposition?
not like how I said it. It's like how there's like a square tile.
Look up here and stop talking for a moment. These tiles represent what we've been given. We are not squaring any numbers. The x squared is telling us it is the x square, literally the square. So anytime I pair up a positive and a negative, what happens? They cancel. They make nothing. Not nothing happens, but they make nothing. I can't pair up any of my ones. I can't pair up any more x squareds. I can't pair up any... So I'm done. After I pair up that positive and negative x squared, I'm done. And that's why Christian's answer is correct. Come on up to the tower, Christian or somebody else. Ivan, pick a number.
No. You're right.
9. I know, we're missing a space between the 5 and the on. There you go, bud. Nice work.
I don't want to put in the wrong angle or else something stupid.
I think you're pretty solid. The tower's better today.
No. Upon you all. Do not let him fall or else he will be sad.
Hey man, I'm not controlling anything. He falls, he falls. Sorry about it, dude. He landed there. Sorry to shut down your argument. I was like, when people are arguing about math, it's actually worth it because that makes more sense. Because what you were doing is right in certain applications, depending on the parentheses, but like x squared is x squared at negative squared. So you spun the same spinner again. So for a second I thought my algebra thought I wasn't about. So the question is, did spin 1 impact spin 2? Did it actually? Oh, that's for you guys to talk about. So you guys had 16. You just got 9 more. 16 plus 9 is 25. You got 25. Ivan, how's your team doing? You got an answer? Not yet? All right, let's go 1 more minute. Hey, if you got this done, work on some more of the problems. What we don't get done is homework. I can walk over there. All right, 30 seconds. The question we should be discussing is, does spin 1 impact spin 2? Does spin 1 impact spin 2? You got it? All right, let's bring it back together. You chat with your team about it? Now remember, as much as I like your goofiness, what the answer you say has to be the answer you want, because if they disagree, they get to disagree. Bring it together, please. Ivan has an answer, and remember, the only way you can steal is to bring up your own opposition, only if you think they're wrong. So, Ivan, what do you think it is? Independent. Why? That's not a why. Margot, we'll let you tag in for your team.
Okay, so it's independent because it's like almost the same as if you had a deck of cards and you like had you drew a 5 and then you put the 5 back in and then you drew 4. It doesn't affect your chances. Like, you're not taking the 5 away.
You're not taking the 5 away. It's like if I roll a die, get a 5, and then I pick it up and roll it again. Everything is still the same. Nothing changed. Come on up. Whoever wants to come to the tower. 9 is gone. June, pick a number.
13 isn't available. 5.
5. You guys have gotten all these independent dependent. Remember, you will have to defend your answer. There will be a Y. 153A. 153A. You know this is on your paper, Alex. So the thing to be thinking about is when you take that sock out, does what's in the drawer change? So does that make it independent or equal? Talk with your team.
Yeah, see, gosh, I think it makes it I'm the best at all this. Wait, Alex, where did you go? It was independent the whole time.
I think Alex just wanted to scoot across the room.
No, because I would have
Like they were like, "Where did you go?" Like she went on a journey.
She went all the way to Florida.
Okay, ready?
I'm pulling the ball. Okay. I'll have to.
Ready? All right, bring it together. Bring it back, bring it back. Bring it back. Your arguments don't matter now because we're going to hear from June. June, what do you think?
I think it's dependent.
Why?
Because this guy reached into a drawer and pulled out his sock, and since he pulled out his sock, that affects
Go ahead.
the other socks.
So let's assume it's dark. I can't see what I'm reaching for. I reach in my closet, I pull out a shirt, and it's gone. Right? Like that sock is gone. Yes, I keep clothes here because somebody pointed out I pit sweat. So now what's in my closet is different.
Yes.
So when I reach back in, that's not there anymore. Things have changed. That means it's dependent. Dependent, it did change. Come on up, June. Or somebody else. Raphael, pick a number. What? 6? 152. 152. Hey, one person at a time. Go back to your time. Do some math.
Strategies.
Do some math.
Strategical mapping.
Do a loose one.
Problem? No.
52. 152.
There is. Oh yeah. What? Oh, I did that one. She has a higher chance of getting it. Wait, no, okay, figure that one.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, why, Lily?
The buses.
Jude, don't change your team name.
Didn't say anything.
You just did.
It was the bus and Estes.
Yeah, that was us.
It
wasn't just the buses. No, it's the bus and Estes crew.
All right, what do we think? Because we're out of time. So whose problem was this, Raphael? So hold on. The question is... Hey, shh, we're coming back together. Guys, we're out of time. Please stop talking. Please, we're out of time. I'm trying to get you out of here. Raphael, if she puts 2 sheets... Guys, I'm trying to get you out of here. We need to wrap this up and go. Raphael, if you put 2 sheets of stickers together, are you more likely to select a unicorn sticker? No, because each sheet is identical. Putting 2 sheets together doesn't increase your probability. Everything doubles. Last block.
But first, let me put this fire on real quick.
Pack up, head out.
It's a sign of no.
It really doesn't matter.
It's not.
Oh, listen. That was lucky.